Hey guys, Oko Dude here. Just making a video about the crappy Silverado. It's had a lot done to it since the last time y'all saw it. I've basically done no videos on this truck, mainly because, you know, gotta keep it a little secret. But, I mean, I'm sure most of the people that I hang around with on the streets don't watch my YouTube videos anyways, which is always a plus. But I'm about to do a cold start on this puppy. Since you can pop the hood on this thing and still looks pretty much stock, I guess I'll show y'all. All it is a 6-liter. I mean, it's got 706 heads. High compression life, headers, obviously a little baby cam. It's alright for what it is, but it's already blown up. 4L60. That lasted a week also. Sorry, not focusing at all. Trying to get it to focus, but it's not wanting to. There we go. Yeah, I went through a 4L60 in a week and then blew up a 4L80 in a month. So now I gotta do a built 4L80 and see how much longer that one lasts. But yes, I know we're already a minute and 30 seconds in. This is a cold start video. So I'll start her up. I'll give her a quick rev. Did he get y'all one outside too? That's what we're looking at. Has a high volume and pressure oil pump, and it still has less oil pressure. I'll go outside and get y'all one so y'all can hear from out there. Yeah, sounds pretty good. The 4L60 that was in it was supposedly a built 4L60, and I had a Circle D3000 stall and a Corvette servo, and you know, it blew up. And then the 4L80 was it's a eBay stall converter with a stock 4L80, but I added a cooler too, but it's still a stock cooler. So, I mean, I can't really blame it too much for blowing up. But yeah, peace out. Like, subscribe. See y'all later.